Oh, 75 cents. Nice. Hello, this is Laundry United. Casey speaking. I'm going to pay for a Diet Coke. $1 of the broken monetary system. Do I even have a I don't even have. Oh, yes, I do. Yay! There, a single dollar. $1. Gonna put that away. Hold on. I don't know why I'm recording this. Diet Coke. Diet Coke. Okay. 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 What? Can I have my Diet Coke? Okay. Diet Coke. I'm gonna put my wallet away. Diet Coke. Push button. Yay! Ooh, change. Quarter. And my jolly old Diet Coke. Beautiful, isn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, this has been Laundry United, filming myself getting a Diet Coke out of a vending machine. This is of no relevance to anything. But anyway, goodbye. Have a nice day.